Today topic of lecture capital and capital budgeting. What is capital? Capital is investment. Every employee or every entrepreneur or business people take the some amount before starting the business. That amount is the capital. Capital is difference between assets and liabilities. This capital divided two types. One is fixed capital, second one is working capital. What is fixed capital? In this capital used for purchase of fixed assets. That all our capital is fixed capital. Fixed assets mean any asset once you purchase, not again purchase that type of asset. That asset is long run for in the business. That all our assets are fixed assets. For the example, building, machinery, furniture, etc. That purpose using capital is fixed capital. Next one is working capital. This is the day-to-day activities or everyday activities or for operation purpose using capital. That capital is working capital. For the example, purchase of material, payments of wages, maintenance expenditures, etc. This type of expenditures again you spend the same type of activities. That is a working capital. Next, determinants of fixed capital or deciding factors of fixed capital. As following factors. First one is nature of business. Business are divided naturally different categories. That fixed capital decided that nature of business. For the example, manufacturing businesses, trading businesses, service businesses. Manufacture businesses also more require the fixed capital. Service businesses also low require the fixed capital, or trading businesses also low require the fixed capital. Decided that nature of business. Manufactured businesses also more require the fixed capital. Trading or services businesses also low require the fixed capital. Next one, size of business. This is one of the deciding factor. Our business size, big size or more require the fixed capital. Small size businesses, that is not more require the fixed capital. Low need of the fixed capital. So this is one of the deciding factor of size of business. Next one is product technology. Our depend the technology, use of the technology, missions and equipments, that is businesses also more require the fixed capital. Why? Missions and equipments you more cost, high costly. So that purpose you require the more fixed capital. Not use the technology, only use the manpower for the business. That business is also low require the fixed capital. It is one of the deciding factor of fixed capital. Technology. These all are deciding factors or determinants of fixed capital. First one is nature of business, second one is size of business, third one is production technique. Next, working capital. Working capital means day-to-day activities or business operation purpose. Using capital is the working capital. For the purchase of material, payments of wages, some operating expenses, etc. This again divided the two categories: fixed working capital, variable working capital. Fixed working capital permanently decided the our business or company requirement of the working capital, that is a fixed working capital. No change of this capital every year or every month. Some require the compulsory need permanently, that is a fixed working capital. Next one is variable working capital. This is not fixed. Some seasons also more required, some seasons also low required. Some businesses also season-wisely demand. Some seasons also more sales. Some seasons also low sales. Demand season is more require the working capital. Low demand time, low require the working capital. This is the variable working capital. Seasonal wise change of the working capital, not constant. These all are two types of working capitals: fixed working capital, variable working capital. Next one is determinants of working capital or deciding factors of working capital. What factors decided how much required working capital? Our business. That all are factors also deciding working capital. That as follows. First one is nature of business. Next one, size of business. Next one, manufacturing process. Next one, seasonal variation. Next one, working capital cycle. Next one, credit policy. Last one, velocity of turnover. These all are deciding factors or determinants of working capital. First one is nature of business or business nature. Business is also different types based on the nature. Manufacturing businesses, trading businesses, service businesses. Man, service businesses or trading businesses also more require the working capital. Trading business, in this business also buying and selling also more times, so require the more need working capital, this type of businesses. Next one is size of business or business size. This is deciding factor of one of working capital or determinants of working capital. Or business size, big size also more require the working capital. Small size or medium size businesses you low require the working capital. That businesses activities also very low, so working capital also low required. Our business is very big size, business activities also more, so more require the big size businesses working capital. This is one of the deciding factor of working capital. Next one is manufacturing processes. Manufacturing some goods also different processes from raw material to finished goods. More number of processes, the type of businesses also more require the working capital. No process, number of processes, the type of manufacturing businesses low require the working capital. It is one of the deciding factor. Our production is processes decided the how much require the working capital. More number of processes more require the working capital. Low number of processes low need the working capital. Next one is seasonal variations. Some businesses also some seasons more demand, some seasons no demand. That type of businesses also more demand season more require the working capital. Low demand season low require the working capital. It is deciding one of the factor of seasonal variation. Next one is working capital cycle. Cycle means from manufacturer to from raw material to change of cash. It is called a working capital. That is different stages of processes from raw material to cash. This cycle also very low. The type of business is also working capital very low. This cycle is also more size. Working capital also more require. Next one is credit policy. Credit means borrowing. You purchases, sales, all are preference. You credit facility, our and others. The type of businesses also low require the working capital. No credit policy, only cash buying. The type of companies or businesses more require the working capital. This is one of the deciding factor of working capital. Velocity of turnover. Turnover means our business, more sales, our product low require the working capital. Turnover is very low, the type of businesses also more require the working capital. This is one of the deciding factor of working capital. Next one is availability of raw materials. Our raw material is availability near place. The type of businesses also low require the working capital. No availability of near place or some seasonal wise available or raw material. The type of businesses more require the working capital. That not available year wise, some seasons available. That time you more purchase, you store in the stores. That purpose more spend the amount. So that type of businesses are more require the working capital. Inflation. What is inflation? In this time also economic or goods and services high costly, high rates. It is called a inflation period. In this period also more require the working capital. These all are determinants of working capital. First one is nature of business, size of business, manufacturing process, seasonal variation, working capital cycle, credit policy, velocity of turnover, availability of raw material, inflation. Next one is sources of capital. Capital availability, different sources. Two types, long-term finance, short-term finance. Long-term finance is more than 5 years, you repayments. The type of finance, loans, all are long-term finance. This main use of the purchase of fixed assets, machines, equipments, building, land, etc. It is a long-term finance. Short-term finance is a repayments, very short period, before 2 years. That all are short-term finances. This main use of the maintenance or working capital purpose, purchase of raw material, payments of wages or other operating expenditures. That finance is short-term finances. Sources of long-term finance. So many sources in the market available long-term finance. First one is issue of shares. Next one is issue of debentures. Next, retained earnings. Next, loans from specialized financial institutions. These all are sources of long-term finance. First one is issue of shares. These big companies or giant stock companies issue the long run finance purpose some shares to the public. This is one of the sources of long term finance. Next one is issue of debentures. Debentures is the one of the long term loan. In this type, issue the some debentures. Companies or businesses, that period also repayments 5 years above period. Some percentage of interest give the investors. It is one of the long term finance sources. Next one is retained earnings. Retained means already previous profits, previous earnings. Reinvestment or business, that is a retained earnings. This is one of the source of long term finance. Next one is loans from specialized financial institutions. Some institutions finance provide the companies and big businesses you long term loans. For the example, State Financial Corporation, Small Scale Industrial Development Bank, etc. These all are sources of long term finance. First one is issue of shares. Issue of debentures, retained earnings, loan from specialized finance institutions. Next, short-term finance. Sources of short-term finance as follows. Bank credit, customers advances, trading credit, installment credit. These all are short-term finance sources of businesses. First one is bank credit. You provide the banks loans, short period. National banks and other private banks also. That is a bank credit. This is one of the source of short-term finance. Customers advances. Who is customers? Our buyers give the some advantages. Some companies, some businesses, you collect the before supply goods, take the some advance from buyers. That is a customer advances. This is one type of source of short-term finance. Next, trade credits. This also provide the suppliers, raw material or other business providers buying you for loans, credit, not cash. Goods and or machinery, equipments, any purchase no cash, credit. That is one of the short-term finance sources. Installment credit. This is one of the sources of the short-term credit. Give the installment basis. You give loans. Borrowers are finance institutions. These all are short-term finance sources. Bank credit, customer advances, trading credit, installment. Topic is over. Thank you.